over here, digits over here. Money, digits over there, digits over there. Digits over here, digits over here. Millions, digits over there, digits over there.
Alright guys, so this is the motherboard box. Let me take everything out first. But basically, I'm gonna do a PC build for my audio production PC. This is the motherboard I got. It's the MAG A520M Vector Wi-Fi AMD motherboard. I got a part, so this is the shield, antenna, and then other paper that it comes with. It's my first time building one, so hopefully I don't shock myself. Alright, so I want to put this first piece in right now. I don't know if this is right, so oh my god. I'm gonna put it in the top, so make sure it's aligned. Place down like that. It's in there? I think it's in there. I don't know, bro. Y'all tell me in the comments, bro. But anyways, we gonna get to the rest of this stuff. But once again, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm pretty sure this go in this way. Y'all can see. I'm pretty sure this going right here. Right there, look. I ain't have to press it, just sat in there, so obviously it gotta be right. I'm about to push this in. Alright. Seem tight. Alright, let's see. Alright, guys, we're going back to it. Alright guys, so this is my cable management I did on the back. I didn't show y'all the whole thing. I know we started off. I was getting frustrated. This thing is way harder than it is, but this is my cable management. It's not the best in the world. It's not 100%, but it's not too bad. For my first computer build, not too bad at all. Got this whole side open, and then just got it stranded along right here and then right here. So it should be a little easy. I got this thick cable right here, but it should be easy to put the thing on. Now, I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like in the end. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But this is my audio production computer, but PC build that I did. I got the motherboard. The stuff to be down in the description. Make sure y'all guys comment. Take off the tape. I'm not gonna take it off till later when I finalize the whole studio room, just to give it that fresh feel. But this is how the whole thing look. I got the white, got the cords, I got all 3 fans inside. 2 fans at the top, 1 rear fan, and then I got the CPU cooler. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's on. So of course I can change the colors and stuff. Well, I'm gonna keep it white to match the theme, and then I have a couple other colors that I prefer to use. But cable management, you can see on the inside, cable management is super clean. The top, I said that right there, it really it couldn't have been hidden. I couldn't even have put it underneath and hit it, so that's the best it could do. That's kind of sloppy over there on the side, but like I said, it's my first computer build, so not too bad. But this is how the whole thing looks. If I open it up, let's see. Open it up. Not too far. Yeah, so it's not too bad. I said I like it. All right. Well, let me know what you guys think.